One of the big things in the Ohio Valley still, trying to gain more traction, is oil and gas. And oil and gas has a very distinctive need for environmental consultants. My time in Florida before I came back to academia was at an environmental consulting firm on the East Coast. And I was the senior scientist, which meant I did just about everything that you would do as a consultant, from wetland delineations to listed species management and mitigation, surveys, and did some work with developers as well. And so I have, in some ways, the practical experience that I can then relate to the students in a course like my field bio course. My field bio course isn't just about going out and being one with nature. My field bio course is really focused on tools and techniques: wetland delineation, tree surveys, listed species or species identification, utilization of other tools, boroscopes, other things like that to look under ledges, game cameras, basic tools that an environmental consultant would use, so that when that student fills out their resume, and again, I'm very results-based, and so they're filling out their resume and they're talking about their skills. It's more than just, I can do Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word. Well, I have experience in wetland delineation and habitat assessment and surveys and tree surveys, all the sort of environmental assessment toolbox materials that you would need to show that you have entry-level experience. They do write reports as if they are giving a report to a client, and so all those things I think factor into them having as close to real-world experience without having the actual paycheck to go with it.